you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited to say that we are doing another plant haul, plant unboxing from the awesome Steve's Leaves. I picked up a couple little plantaroonies in here and we are about to open it and check out how they are, what they are, and just see them. So let's get into it. Indy, you don't need to help me open the box. It's okay, I have tools. I have tools for this. I have come prepared for the most part. So actually, I've done another haul slash unboxing from Steve's Leaves in the past. One of them was the hairy begonia, the U309. It was the unidentified one, and you can actually see it back here. If you're interested in seeing kind of like an update on how those plants have been doing, let me know, because honestly, like this one, he's doing amazingly well, and so are all the other ones. They've grown so much since you've last seen them. So, but without further ado, let's open it! Thank you for your help, Indy. Hang on. Here we go. So this is what the inside looks like. So as with all Steve's Leaves orders, they have this little instruction guide inside of it, kind of depicting how you should be treating your plant and how you should treat it after its arrival. Basically saying unpack it immediately, transition it to an area where it's going to be happiest, sort of like, you know, in its lighting conditions basically. And then repot it. So let's go! There's lots of paper. It feels rather moist in here. Indeed! Alright, so first up we have, let's see, I am so excited. I also love how, oh my gosh, there's a, what is that thing called? What's that? Oh, the Peanuts, the Peanut comic. There's a Peanut comic in here. So the first one is, yippee! Alright, so the first one coming up, I'm going to butcher the name, so please just forgive me in advance, but it is a Pilea Pubescens, I believe it's called. The more kind of common, easier to say name would be the Silver Cloud, and the reason why I was so drawn to it was because of the beautiful metallic leaves. It looks a little bit on the squish side, but I mean, it was in packaging, so it's not anything out of the ordinary. I'm just saying, I think once it's all fluffed up and pretty and transplanted, it's going to be a metallic beaut, because look at that. And Pilea, I think, is another one of my favorite varieties that I've just come to find out recently. I have a Pilea Moon Valley back here, and it blows my mind to this day because of how neon fluorescent green it is with the contrasting black. I love it so much. And I also got it from Steve's. So this is the first one, the Silver Cloud. It is beautiful, and I cannot wait to pot him into a metallic little pot. It's gonna be beautiful. Ooh, that got to my mouth. Next up, we have this one. It looks like more paper, which is very exciting. I'm sorry, Indy, you can't play with the plants, but I'll let you play with the paper. Here we go. Would you like to read about it, Indy? It looks like a football one. Oh, this is so pretty. Here, Indy, you can have the paper. Have fun. Look at that. Do you see the vivid coloring on this? This is amazing. So that's happening right now.
Whoa, that's fun.
I know, that's what I was saying. Ah! Hey man, get your own plant haul. It's called a Cissus Discolor, and oh my gosh, this looks even more amazing in person than it did online. Do you see how fantastic this is? Like, where in your life are you gonna find this one? Otherwise, like in a nursery, because I go to nurseries quite often. I have not seen this one before. Oh man. But anyways, the appearance is supposed to have these really dark forest olive colored leaves with that silver marking. I'm a sucker for metallic silver markings. I think they are so striking. And then the kicker is the underneath, like holy guacamole. Give me them chips and salsas, because the nacho bar is open with this plant. Like, this is beautiful. Ooh. I am so excited to see what this one looks like repotted and in its prime. I love this. This is incredible. Beautiful, beautiful plant. Moving on. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Oh, this one feels kind of hard. I don't remember getting a hard plant. Don't worry, Indy, I'll let you get this paper too. Just as long as you don't eat my plants. He's never eaten any of my plants, amazingly enough, but he seems to always love to sniff the absolute living daylights out of them. Now this one is a, oh, you just get so excited every single time I gasp, don't you? Here's the paper, yay, finally! This one, oh my gosh, this is, wow. This is incredible. Maybe I'll give him a moment of silence. So this one is called the Callisa Repens. This is the gold version of it. The reason why I was so drawn to it is because obviously the leaves are this beautiful kind of yellowy green color. But then if you look at the stems and the underside of the plants, this one is still a little bit young, but the underside you can tell kind of give off this purple reddish hue. That is why I was so excited about it. I have another Bolivian Jew or a Callisa Repens here in my room area, and I have never seen a plant thrive so much before. And so my theory is like, if you know a plant that loves your area, get another or 2 or 3 because you know it works and you know it'll be happy there. So it's kind of like a way to like expand your collection a little bit with a foolproof buffer. You know what I mean? So this is beautiful and it is so full. Do you see that? Ooh, like if I was a balding plant and I saw this homeboy walking around down the streets, I would be like, where? Like, first of all, what are your genetics? Or where did you get them plugs? Because this is fantastic. Ryan, do you see this?
Whoa.
Yeah, whoa, indeed. Like that's the same one. This one right here is the same one that we have hanging over there. Remember?
He's gonna get huge. I
know, he's gonna get massive. Because I was deciding between the variegated and the gold, and I decided with the gold because I was like, I don't know. It felt like the right one, and I think it was the right choice because this is beautiful. Love it. And last, but certainly not least, in this little box of happiness, joy, and greenery is, well, let's find out. Don't worry, Indy, you're gonna get your paper. I know you are so, oh, this is amazing. Indy, as always, here's your paper. Bye. And let's let him riff again for another 5 seconds. Oh, my dear sweet boy. He probably thinks it's like Christmas morning because this is what he does every year when I wrap his presents. He rips the wrapping paper to absolute shreds, and sometimes I think he likes ripping the wrapping paper more than he actually likes the gift inside. Oh, now he's done. Okay, so we can commence the unboxing. So this beautiful plant, this is a Peperomia Hoffmannii. I'm gonna just call it the Hoff, you know, like Hoffman. You know what I mean? It is a beautiful cascading variety of the Peperomia with these amazing succulent leaves. It is so lush and healthy looking. The other thing about the Steve's Leaves plant shipments is that all the plants, without fail, look so darn happy and healthy, it's almost mind-boggling. Like how they can consistently produce that. But then also they're packaged not raw rooted. They have these like little plastic tub that they come in like a normal, you know, in-person nursery. They have it in the plastic tub. They wrap it protectively in this like little plastic bagaroonie so that none of the soil kind of flops out, and it can also retain the moisture because the soil is not dried out. These plants are not dry. They are happy and moist in their little environment as they travel to their happy new home. This is beautiful! It's so great. It looks like hair. I think it kind of works, right? Ryan, would you still be with me if my hair was like this?
Totally.
Totally. Alrighty, so that wraps up this amazing plant haul and unboxing. I hope you guys loved these plants as much as I do, and I hope you feel the excitement of these fantastic finds, because a lot of these, like, I've never seen them in person before. I live in a very nursery dense area, so it's always so exciting to me when I can find these other varieties that you don't come across all the time, especially when they're in such amazing condition. So let me know which one was your favorite, and I will let you know which one was my favorite, but I'll have to do it when they're not listening, because I'm not trying to hurt anyone's feelings, because they're all amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, because you know that we are gonna do another one of these videos. It's gonna happen. It's like breathing, it's necessary. Actually, plants are really good for breathing. They really purify the air. But in any case, I will see you guys in the next video.